Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66 no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269 classic cars. 269 classic cars.
All right, we down here at Executive Motorsports, right? Executive Motorsports. Let you guys check out Orange Crush down here. We about to get the QA1s, get the coilovers, 7-inch lip. See if we can do an 8-inch lip, but we about to do 7 or 8-inch lip. Let you guys. What's this lip on this red one right here?
I don't know.
But let me move back a little bit. No, that's not it. That's a 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, see, that's not it. I'm trying to see. This is probably more like it over here, what it's going to be. Let me show you guys what we about to put on the back. Yeah, this more like it. Yep. This is about what we're going to put on here. Orange Crush about to get that big lip. Yeah. So this is about what it is. Okay. That's what we about to put on that bad boy. Orange Crush about to get them coilovers, some QA1s, and that lip, that 7-inch lip on there, or 7.5, like you say. But yeah, you got some heat down here. You see it. You got some stuff down here, guys. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can't wait till we get that suspension on there. Woo-hoo. She gonna be looking good. Got this right here, this thing down here, about to do some work to it. Got this out cold Impala. Yes, sir. This thing is nice. Look at this frame. But yeah, y'all want y'all work done, come holler at my man Steve down here at Executive Motorsports. Get you right. He do whole frame on, frame off. And he got some wheels. Y'all looking for some wheels? Come down here and holler at him. He got wheels for sale. Got an old nasty Grand National down here. Got the Ashantis. Show you guys what he got over here. Look at this bad boy. Now this is something you don't see right here. See, I like them cars you don't see. You don't see nothing like this. When you pulling up, more than likely he might be the only one at the show. Don't be the only one there. They over there getting it in. Let's walk back over here and see what they got. See what's over here. Ooh, look at that boy right there. Ooh, another Chevelle. GS Buick convertible. Yeah, you got some heat down here. Got a clean Regal. Got somebody wrapped up. Please don't touch. Look at that Malibu on Rucci's. Yes, sir. Come check my man out. Get you right. But yeah, I just came down here to check on the ride, getting it ready, change that suspension kit, put them big lips on there, and we holler at you guys till next time. We gone. 269 Classic Cars. Out.
269 Classic Cars. 269 Classic Cars.